In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable formula suggestions on Google Sheets. If those gray pop-up hints keep appearing while you type formulas and they're breaking your flow, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn them off so you can work without distractions. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From there, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you prefer, you can also open Sheets from a bookmark or any usual shortcut you use. The goal is simply to get into Google Sheets. Once Sheets is open, select the spreadsheet you want to work in. You can choose an existing file from your recent documents or your drive, or open the one you already had in mind. After the spreadsheet loads, we'll switch off the suggestions from the menu bar at the top of the screen. At the top, click Tools to open the Tools menu. In the list that appears, hover your mouse over Suggestion Controls. This will expand a small submenu where Google groups options related to on-the-fly assistance while you type. You'll see an option labeled Enable Formula Suggestions. If it currently has a checkmark next to it, that means the feature is on. Click it once to remove the checkmark and turn the feature off. If it was already unchecked, you're all set. Nothing else to do here. With that one change, Google Sheets will stop showing formula suggestions as you type. You'll notice that the faint, predictive text or pop-up suggestions that used to appear beneath the formula bar no longer show up, letting you focus on entering exactly what you want. This does not change any formulas you've already written, and it doesn't delete or alter your data. It simply stops the proactive hints going forward in this file. If you ever want those prompts back, go right back to Tools, hover over Suggestion Controls, and click Enable Formula Suggestions again to recheck it. The setting is quick to toggle, so you can adjust it based on the task at hand, turn it off when you want a clean workspace, and back on when you're exploring new functions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled formula suggestions in Google Sheets and taken control of your editing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.